Let's explore Sual Pangasinan. Sual, officially the municipality of Sual, is a first-class municipality in the province of Pangasinan, Philippines. Sual is politically subdivided into 19 barangays.
Sual is popular for its mountainous zigzag road. Imagine standing on top of a mountain, surrounded by lush greenery. The view is simply breathtaking. The Philippines' largest coal power plant, the 1,200-megawatt Sual Power Station, is located in this municipality. This power plant is owned by Team Energy, which is a joint venture between Marubeni Corporation and Tokyo Electric Power Corporation.
The Sual Fish Port Complex is a fishing port located in the town or municipality of Sual. The fish port is a regional fish port in northern Luzon and can accommodate big fishing boats and cargo ships. The beauty of Sual Pangasinan is truly breathtaking. There's nothing quite like the serenity of gazing out at a stunning sea view or the majesty of a mountain view. Both offer truly breathtaking vistas that can transport you far from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The sea view, with its endless expanse of shimmering blue, is a reminder of the vastness of our world and the power of nature. The mountain view, on the other hand, reminds us of the sheer scale and grandeur of the Earth's natural beauty. Whether you're looking for a relaxing escape or a thrilling adventure, both sea and mountain views offer a breathtaking experience that will leave you feeling inspired and rejuvenated.